Looking to save on Soundfly's music courses in 2025? Here's how to find and apply promo codes easily. Step 1. Search online for Soundfly promo codes to discover current discounts. Look for offers like 10% to 20% off, with codes such as themes being commonly available. Step 2. Consider subscribing to Soundfly's email newsletter. Subscribers often receive exclusive discount codes and early access to sales. Curated deals. Step 3. Follow Soundfly on social media platforms. They occasionally share special promotions and limited time offers with their followers. Step 4. During checkout on Soundfly's website, enter the promo code in the designated field. Ensure the code is valid and not expired to apply the discount successfully. Bonus tip. Some music educators and influencers share exclusive Soundfly discount codes with their audiences. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to save. With these steps, you can access Soundfly's top-notch courses at a discounted price.